Guy just lost his drone because his GPS cut out, so Ryan's off to get it. I think he saw where it landed. So today we're at Wallaman Falls at Girringun National Park. It is freezing because it was raining last night and we're up in the mountains anyway, so yeah, but you can barely see the bottom of the falls today because it's super misty. I'll show you in a second.
People.
No. Ryan's done this one before, so he's so excited to do it again.
I'm excited to see you.
You're not wrong. Wow, how's this opening here? This one here is pointing up.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like that one there. These up. Oh, I can feel the spray. That's refreshing. After our refreshing swim in Paradise Pools this morning, it's gotten a bit colder. We're up in Paluma, about to embark on the Bluegum Circuit, which entails, which includes triple falls, minor falls, and some other stuff. It's really nice so far. And what else was I going to say? It takes apparently approximately 3 hours if you're stopping and stuff. How long is it?
8.4 Ks.
8.4 Ks. Look at that. How beautiful. This is the rocky path. About to ask you, now that we're near the finish, what do you rate this track?
What do you mean?
Out of 5, how many stars would you give it?
5.
5, yeah, same.
It's very good.
And what do you think about the uphill?
It's not to be underestimated.
No, but I
Even
think,
knowing you about it.
yeah, but I think it would have been less intense if it wasn't getting dark.
It's not getting dark.
Well, no, but like,
The sun's fucking pumping.
as in, if it wasn't dinner time soon.
Yeah, I know that. But
If it wasn't dinner time soon, I would have taken it a bit slower and looked around a bit more probably, and probably would have been a little less intense, but it's still extremely intense. Just because the angle, like the sudden uphill from the bottom